Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is measuring current flow in high power installations. Designed for electrical diagnostics, the clamp meter combines wide current ranges, voltage measurement, and transient capture in a compact portable unit. Meco has introduced the Kilometer 9999A+, a 1000 ampere AC, DC digital clamp meter with inrush current measurement designed for electrical testing across industrial and commercial applications. The instrument features a 6000 count LCD display, a 42mm jaw opening and auto-ranging across all functions. The clamp meter measures AC and DC current from 60 ampere to 1000 ampere, with inrush current measurement up to 1000 ampere. AC current capability can be extended to 3000 ampere when used with an iFlex current coil. DC voltage measurement ranges from 600 mV to 1000 volt, including auto velo Z DC volts up to 1000 volt, while AC alternating current voltage measurement ranges from 6V to 750V with auto velo Z functionality. Frequency response is specified from 40 Hz to 1 kHz. The dual LCD display allows simultaneous viewing of voltage and frequency, which can be used during measurements on variable frequency drives. Additional measurement functions include resistance from 600 ohm to 60 megaohm, capacitance from 600 nanofarad to 60 mF microfarad, diode test from 0.15 volt to 2.5 volt and continuity up to 600 ohm. Temperature measurement is supported from -20 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1832 degrees Fahrenheit, using a K-type thermocouple. The instrument also includes max, minute recording, data hold and non-contact AC alternating current voltage detection. The instrument also incorporates overload protection up to 1000 volt for resistance, capacitance and temperature ranges, along with low battery indication and auto power off. It operates on three 1.5 volt batteries and is supplied with test leads, user manual, battery, thermocouple, up to 250 degrees Celsius, and a carrying case. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology.